Hello my fellow eggheads, my name is Liz. Today we're going to go over how to enable and disable your adapter warning settings in BIOS. First thing I'm going to have you do is click the power button and then start tapping on F2 as your computer boots up, and then you will see it load on the screen that it's entering BIOS. And then once you are in BIOS, you're going to take your mouse and you are going to navigate down to Post Behavior, Adapter Warnings, and you can either enable or disable it here. So I would just simply click on it. If I want to enable it, hit apply. And if I want to disable it, then I would remove the check and hit apply. Once you hit apply, it's saved. So you are now safe to exit. Just like so. And it's just that simple. If you found this video in any way helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more great content. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.